How to log in into Bromley Council Tax Account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I will teach you guys how you can simply log in into your Bromley Council Tax Account. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, do make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I will use Safari. Now search for the Bromley Council Tax login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, click on the second link that says sign in. Wait for a while until the page completely loads up. Finally, now you can enter your username and password in order to sign in into your account. Simply fill your information and tap on sign in option. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget password option. Or if you don't have created any account, you can also tap on register and create a new account. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.